fail.
I thought we did this morning. Not the light one.
The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, DeKalb, Lee, Oakland, Winnebago. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for DuPage County in northeast Illinois, Kane County in northeast Illinois, northern Cook County in northeast Illinois, northern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northern Lee County in north central Illinois, Oakland County in north central Illinois, southern Boone County in north central Illinois, southern Lake County in northeast Illinois, southern McHenry County in northeast Illinois, southern Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 6:30 p.m. At 12:35 p.m., trained weather spotters reported flooding over portions of northeast Illinois within portions of Cook and Ogle counties. Thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall will continue to move across the warned area. Rainfall rates will approach 1 to 2 inches per hour. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in vehicles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low water crossings. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot or in a vehicle.